Hello, my technical friends. This is TestOut Linux Pro, and this is Lab 8.14.4, and we are going to extract from tar files. So, an employee in another department recently provided several important files for your current assignment. The files are compressed in a tar file. You need to extract each file so you can begin to use them. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to extract the files in /proc_files.tar.gz into the /project directory, and then you are going to answer the questions. All right, so we go ahead and start lab. So we wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this tutorial you find this video to be helpful to you, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a wide array of educational video material to help you with your educational needs. Alright, so this lab has loaded. Let's go ahead and open terminal, and the terminal is opened. From the first task, we are going to type in TAR -XZ XZF and space /proj _files.tar.gz. And then space -C space /project, and then you press enter. And then you type in ls space -L space /project, and then you go ahead and answer the question: which files were extracted from the tar file? That will be okay. Let's see. That will be evals, history, records, temps. We'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider sharing this video on other educational platform so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.